First, we need to assemble timber loader. First, we need to assemble timber loader. First, we have to fill it. Timber loader. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Let's wash timber loader. We need to assemble hydraulic hammer. Keep it up. First, we have to fill it. Hydraulic hammer. Pump. Ready. Let's crack the biggest rocks. Let's fix the rust stain. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! Bulldozer. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. Press the pump. You're doing really great. We need to prepare everything for the digging machine.